And the reason I put it in here was one to introduce this collaboration between the nonprofits, WISR and InfoPower Services. But the other is because another goal is to create an educational experience which requires a different process than most adult learners have ever experienced, whether it's at WISR or the nonprofit organizations we've been working with over the decades. So we need to set up the process expectations and understanding to raise the chance that this better or different, I think different, to raise the probabilities that this different experience happens. So online forms is part of the different process. So what will happen is Marilyn Jackson will manage the chat window. That way you and I don't have to focus on it. And the process will, on a cycling basis, I will say to Marilyn, okay, who's gotten in line to speak in the chat window? And then when people want to use the chat window to chat, Marilyn will encourage them through chatting to use the online form instead. And that will allow us then to really reflect on these inputs and also gain a little more information.
Yeah, that's great.
And it will also mean no one is overlooked or passed by in the go-around. And then there will be some people who come in through the telephone, and I'll manage that through messaging.
Okay.
So that's all before we get started.